Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks on PC. And in this video, I will show you how to upload high quality videos to Google Drive without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Chrome browser. After you log into your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Google Apps. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on Drive right here, and to automatically redirect it to your drive right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here, click on new. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to upload file. The next thing you want to do is to select the video file that you want to upload to Google Drive right here. So I'm going to upload this particular video file right here. So I'm going to select the video file and go ahead and click on open. Then you have the video being uploaded right here. Just like so. After a successful upload, you can go ahead and come to the address bar right here. Press Ctrl R to refresh the page. Then you have access back to the video right here. So for you to have access to the video link, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And you have different options right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on share. So once you click on share, go ahead and click on copy link right here. Then you can send the link to anyone that you want them to have access to the video. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.